Investors seeking to diversify their portfolios are attracted by top cryptocurrencies. Now, many growing businesses are accepting the use and payment methods of cryptocurrencies. It's time to invest in cryptocurrencies based on new technologies. Is HEX one of them? Will HEX ever hit the $1 mark? Is it wise to invest in HEX? Watch the video to the end to know more about HEX. Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Wizard. In today's video, we will talk about the price prediction of HEX. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. HEX is a new financial instrument launched on the Ethereum network on the 2nd of December 2019. HEX is a token of ERC20 designed to replace the deposit certificate and store its value. This financial product is used in traditional financial markets as a blockchain counterpart. First of all, we want some background clarification. In the traditional financial sector, commercial banks offer CDs and generally give a slightly higher interest rate than a standard savings or checkings account would have. To achieve this higher rate, however, depositors are not expected to withdraw their money. The money mustn't generally be withdrawn for 3 or 6 months or sometimes up to 10 years. The money is government guaranteed, and deposit certificates are an easy way to earn a bit more in interest without risk. You'd hold unused funds in your current account otherwise. Apart from the USCDs, deposits of term or time will be commonly referred to. Of course, HEX is intended to pay interest to participants who lock their coins. For Bitcoin holders, the HEX coin is a free airdrop. It's not an ICO, and at any time in the claim procedure, you do not need to pay anything. The HEX claim process can be safely done offline with the delivery of 10,000 HEX per 1 BTC to Bitcoin holders. Only for the first year of launch could Bitcoin holders claim HEX. During that time, 90% of the claimed HEX shall be locked for 1 year. All coins which Bitcoin holders have not requested are distributed to other HEX users with active stakes at the end of the first year of release. HEX cryptocurrency uses the transaction layer Ethereum network to transmit and receive HEX coins and the HEX smart contract, while the HEX smart contract contains the consensus code and staking mechanism. HEX allows the users to take part in the new HEX coins or inflation with its HEX coins. It also includes features designed to stimulate behavior that promotes prices and discourages pricing destroying practices. This means that the intelligent HEX contract penalizes stakeholders who terminate their undertaking early on and thus rewards them for staking more substantial quantities of HEX for longer periods. Richard Hart, the creator of HEX, explained that HEX is the first blockchain deposit certificate in the world to enable users to place their tokens for interest. Users can receive interest payments of up to an incredible and massive payout of 369. The amount is staked by the percent of the total. In other words, the money value of such an amount is entirely dependent on the market value of HEX at the time of maturity. As discussed above, the deposit certificate is one of the most popular banking products compared to a savings account. HEX is the first blockchain CD in a nutshell. HEX is, however, much better designed than a CD because you won't be paid for more when others decide to close their CDs before they have received the deposit certificate. HEX cryptocurrency can be transacted faster, cheaper, and safer to some extent than Bitcoin because Ethereum security is used. HEX is built at the top of Ethereum, a working blockchain that is more decentralized than Bitcoin. BTC is also devaluing its price by providing the miners who have to pay for the electricity and equipment that Bitcoins have to sell in the market. This causes prices to drop. Unlike BTC, HEX is a source that is immutable and open. It is an audited token from abroad. No system bugs are trustworthy. HEX has chain security and coin fabric safety and economic audits. With MetaMask for HEX and ETH, you can use hardware wallets such as Trezor and Ledger. HEX is intended for people who are no longer involved, which means that they will most benefit. How? Users can directly transform Ethereum into HEX by eliminating intermediaries. Bitcoin owners get free HEX when they kick off adoption. This helps small players in the market to penalize Bitcoin whales. Early claims are paid bonuses and late claims are punished. Bonuses will also be paid for referrers and those referred to. The coins and interest paid without claim shall be paid to those who lock their HEX on time. Longer and greater stakes are gaining more shares, and only the price per share is increasing. The more people attempt, the better everybody is. HEX equalizes incentives. CoinGecko reports that the coin price of the HEX is trading at 7 cents at the time of writing, with a 24-hour trading volume of $73,473,134. Lately, however, HEX decreased by 14.6%. HEX exchanges such as HitBTC, Bitcoin.com Exchange, XT.com, Bytesk, and Bitmart are exchange companies. HEX price forecast 2021 in 2 time frames explained below. The chart above shows the consolidation phase that began in April 2020, when the tokens were traded in a range of ways between 0.002 cents to 0.005 cents. The price fell to the previous support level of 0.002 cents following this breakdown in 1 week. The token price continuously increases with a higher and higher low pattern, and the pullback movements confirm the Dragonfly Doji pattern. This pattern is an upward trend that generally increases the value of tokens. As shown in the figure above, HEX shifted from a bearish to a bullish trend at the beginning of this period. The price of the HEX coin has currently been increased by 9 cents, and the price can be tested at 5 cents. Traders can thus use the support level to purchase the HEX coin and set the target for 19 cents. A swing low generally happens when prices fall and 2 consecutive higher and lower prices follow. Likewise, when the price is high and there are 2 lower highs, a swing high is. The HEX price rose to a swing high at 0.098 cents in the daily schedule and then began to decrease. So we can expect that the price drops to the level of 0.056 according to this pattern, and that price can pull back to the support level, accumulate at 0.056 and 0.059 and reach your 14 cents to 19 cents target. The HEX is one of the cryptos on which the bear free market is held. In addition, it is a bullish prediction of our long-term HEX price 2021. This year, it has an enormous chance to overcome its current all-time high of 9 cents. However, this will occur only if many psychological resistance have been breached. In addition, it could experience a great future in 2021 with the continuing developments and upgrades within the HEX ecosystem. If the investor has planned HEX to be a strong investment in 2021, it could be up to 35 cents soon and even higher to reach 50 cents. Rate of interest is about 26.72%, the highest ever reported to date. From the beginning of April 2020, HEX starts bullish, where in just 40 days, prices jump from 0.000450 to 0.0057. HEX's price growth in the past 2 months was 1,166%. There is a lot to ask, in which the most question is whether this growth rate will remain constant, given the fact that the total supply shortages most holders get huge ROI, and that this can cause the market cap to drop in prices as well. More than 300,000 ETH is exchanged in HEX according to the report. The current active staking based encrypted currency represents over 26% of HEX supply staked on 100,000 stakes. HEX has previously established the most trading coin in the chain. The team compares HEX to the top cryptocurrency, where Bitcoin has nearly 24 times always highest rates, and Ethereum increased by 230 times, so if HEX reaches $1, the return will be around 1400%, and at this point, it's really big. Most of the top crypto graphs have not shown much growth, and most don't have holding stakes, as Ethereum 2.0 allows staking to take more than 1 year to complete, so HEX will be the better option. So essentially, this really good incentive program, and in the future it will continue to yield the same profit, so HEX will be in the top 50 without any risk the network pays. For the project, Richard Hart plans to surpass all other cryptocurrencies and embark people in the real world. He explained that the project uses tactics as scam to attract interest, but HEX offers an honest, real project. The next objective of HEX is to substitute reliable, safe, peer-to-peer technology with gold, credit cards, and of course banking deposit certificates. It remains to be seen exactly how this happens and how much HEX will benefit. With this, we have come to an end. Before heading forward, kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, have the bell icon on not to miss out on any of our regular content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.